So remember to this video, whatever you keeps doing right now, today in this video we're gonna do episode of Bajaj Vlog 011. Okay, this is my Bajaj Vlog 011. Okay, haven't do Bajaj Vlog for a long time, so today let's do it. Alright, so for this we are describing about Bajaj, but you can see these two Bajaj over here. What's the difference? It's the same brand, same design, same shape, same big, same size, same wide, same height, same, alright, everything is same. But only problem is same sticker, same brand, same manufacture date, everything is same. But only problem is the color is different. This Bajaj is run with stock starter for a few hours. You can see. This is the Bajaj that run with stock starter. So Bajaj run with stock starter eventually can be yellow. This is the Bajaj Newie without running with a stock starter. See, it's a big difference. So remember, don't run the lamp with a stock starter. Is this the carbon rod that previous with the lamp? Hey, get back, get the fuck back. Oh yeah, I should know. I found the carbon rod. So okay, so let me attract the old carbon rod because this carbon rod is making the lamp useless. Alright, so I basically made a lot of video about carbon rod lamps. So today let's resetting up again. Resetting my carbon thing. Oh, there's a lot of rubbish in my house. Why there's a lot of rubbish in my house? Okay, it doesn't clean the table anyway. Inside we clean it. Alright. So now I'm gonna extract the old carbon rods here. And we need to mount the old one. Here, this is the original with the original one. Original one is much better because they are highly reliable. They already burned away all the coatings, so it should be worth it. Should we do that again? Probably yes, because I'm professional. You're gonna re-extract the carbon rods to the side here, so the R will continue. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh shit, it's burned away again. There you go. Now let's reject the power lines. So, oh, what's still on? What's still on, bro? The ballast doesn't react. Okay. The ballast is not vibrating. It sounds weird because the ballast already connected to the power source. So this here is live, and maybe this is an indicator clip problem. Let's see the starter will start. Oh, here we go. We can start the R. So this is perfect. So now let's see this lamp will start the R again. Although they are using back the original one. Let's see, it's still arcs. So here we go. This is a carbon R lamp. Ooh, yeah, it's burned out. Piece of shit. This thing doesn't want to light up also. There's a problem. Carbon rods. Right. Is it burned away? Oh yeah, it's burned away. So right. So I think we'll explode it because it's red hot now. It should be pop and start the arc. Okay. This lamp is still glowing. Wow. Yes! Jackpot! Big! Finally! This is a jackpot! So I tell you, we win! Yes! Yes! Finally! See, I tell you guys it will work. It will never give up. What the f is that? What is stepping around the tower, man? So the cover up eventually worked. So Beka! Alright, so this thing works. So like hour of run. Whew. 5 minutes, guys. Okay, so now we have to display this. We need to display. So alright, it's enough. Alright, so it's enough. My ballast is getting very hot. Alright, so this thing was arcing. So good to demand is a high voltage lamp. So it's a carbon arc lamp. So the gap slightly burned away very much. So until the stop light. So until the stop light, the carbon is already burned away. So somehow you need to readjust if the lamp gap is too much. There we go. So the gap just now is open circuit. So that's why I tell you, the oldest carbon rod will be still running perfectly. Yeah, I don't think the carbon rod still can run like that. Alright, so we're getting distracted with the carbon arc lamp because now we replace the carbon, because most of the newest carbon rod, they cannot do the job. They cannot do the job because they're too new. Oldest carbon rod will be finished the job because they don't have the coating. The coating is to protect from voltage. But some high voltage doesn't care about coating. They still jump over. Okay, so now we glue that reflector. And the reflector also very hot here, warm, because the lamp will generate the heat radiation that she can run the stuff. There we go. Carbon arc lamp. Alright, what we're gonna do next? We already finished. Cleaning! Good choice, man. Cleaning. Alright, cleaning, we definitely have another part 2 vlog. So, yeah, there we go. Alright, so now we have the carbon arc lamp. It's from the late 1800s. So this lamp is a very first generation lamp. But I will show you guys what is first generation lamp be like. So this type of lamp, they are getting distracted. we are getting distracted, but whatever. So this lamp basically, I tell you some historical lah. This lamp is made in the 1800, but these are perfect modern homemade model lah. Because most of the older lamp maybe have one coil that look like a motor that actually forcing two carbon rod together. That type is what we call carbon arc street light. So they were invented in the late 1800 and for industrial purpose only. But these are miniature size. They are 100 watts because my 100 watt ballast can drive the shade. So this thing actually can heat up. Actually, when I put a hand over here, you actually can feel the heat because this lamp will eventually make a lot of radiation. That's why another invention came up. The glass. The glass is used to block UV radiation, but this lamp definitely have a lot of UV radiation. That's why we need the glass. But for Sarisa, I don't have the glass. But I can invent a glass for you, huh? So for me, I can use a plastic can, although this plastic can is very smelly. Okay, so now let's make a glass for this lamp because we need the glass. So we need the glass. So now we have to cut the bottle lah. So this video is have a lot of part.